Grade 6s. So today we are going to learn about wampum and what it was used for. Please follow along with your notes and make sure you write any bold words in the blanks. Wampum is strings or belts made up of white and purple beads that were cut from certain kinds of shells. Each string or belt held a different message. The use of wampum suggested the seriousness of the message and the sincerity of whoever made it. In Canada, we have a written constitution that sets out all the rules for Canadian society. In the Iroquois Confederacy, the Great Law of Peace was considered to be their constitution. The Great Law of Peace describes principles of good living and tells how the Confederacy should be organized and run. The Great Law of Peace is so long that it would take days to recite the whole thing. In order to help them remember the Great Law, the Iroquois used wampum belts. A wampum keeper was responsible for caring for the wampum and reading it. The reader would pass his hands along the belt bead by bead, using their texture to remind him of the events or treaties it recorded. Wampum keepers were chosen by the clan and were trained from a young age to remember the information on the belt and tell it in a dramatic and poetic way. Iroquois women made the wampum belts.